In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to make Amazon Flex account in UK. So first, you need to open or download your Amazon Flex on your mobile device, and after you downloaded it, just click on the open button. Once it is opened, you can now create an account by clicking the create an account button. Once you click on that, you will be able to put your first and last name, your email address, as well as your password. Then, after you put all your informations on the text field, you just have to click on the create your Amazon account button, which is the yellow button. Once you click on that, a verification code will be sent on your email that you have been inputted on the text field from the previous slide. So after that, you just have to tender the code and click submit code. And then you'll be able to get started. And now you are on the wait list. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.